So the lessons that I can say is we were successful in that we had some very smart team members who did extremely well, but it was understanding the scope of the work that needed to be done, having open, clear communication pathways, especially between the client and the FSP vendor, as well as your team members. Uh, their communication for reporting. Who did they report to? How were they their performance evaluated? What was the mechanism by which they could have some professional development so they could excel in their role, even advance in their role? And everyone benefits from having that type of tool in place. So when you're looking at having an FSP model, understanding the scope, but also having a plan. It could be a governance type document where you map all of this out in advance and it's shared. And within the organization themselves, the sponsor, they understand and are in alignment with how this governance is going to work. And you need regular meetings between your FSP line lead within the organization as well as with the vendor, and cross functionally that needs to be inclusive so that there's not a breakdown or a siloing or discouragement, in which can affect the quality of the performance and the quality of the work that you are really spending money to be able to get back from what you're investing. There is a lot of the other elements that would be really ideal to have is in alignment with the organization. If you are the FSP provider, having an alignment with the organization that you are putting this FSP team in, if you're doing an embedded model, is looking at their holiday schedule. Do they have the same days off? Do they recognize summer hours? Do they recognize the Christmas holiday break? Those types of things really matter for job satisfaction and also a sense of being really integrated as an FSP team, because that's the sense that you're trying to create, is that you are a part of this organization. You're sitting in there, you're a part of them, you're representing the FSP organization, but you also want to have this recognition within the culture of that organization, that sponsor. So people feel like they belong. Are they included in the summer picnics or the holiday parties, or are they not? Those are really important so that your team members feel valued